Alright, welcome back guys. This is Beamer Merchant doing another do-it-yourself video. Today we are working on a 2003 BMW 325i 4-door sedan. In this video I want to focus on two things. First, I want to go ahead and show you where the general modules are located on this car. Right there, it's underneath the glove box, and in order to access this portion you need to remove this panel, and this panel goes underneath here. It's held in by Phillips screws. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once those come off, the glove box is held down by these pins which just pop out from the side. You got one here, another one here. It's a black pin. Once this cover comes out, you're gonna see this cover here in the bottom, the second part towards the back. Fairly simple. This one slides out. See these tabs right here? These tabs slide in right there. So anyhow, this is where the GM is located for these cars. The GM, I just found out, controls the windows and the lock actuators. That's one point I wanted to focus on. Secondly, I want to focus on the door lock actuators. We recently sold one of these actuators in our website, which you can find below. Anytime we remove an actuator from a donor car, we always check it by pressing the locking button right there. And if the locks lock and unlock properly, then we proceed to remove the actuators. In this instance, customer went ahead and ordered this and contacted us once he received it, stating that it didn't work. So he returned it back, and I was curious because I know that I had personally checked it. It worked. So what I did is I went ahead and from another car, I went ahead and removed all this stuff here, regulator, window regulator, and so forth. And I wanted to see, I connected the actuator here, put it here on the side of the door. Actually, I brought it in with me, and I pressed the lock button. I connected everything here. Went ahead and pressed this button here, and nothing happened. Okay, so what I did next is I installed the actuator, bolted it down to the door, connected it, closed my door. Okay, so now everything started working. See that actuator unlocks and locks properly. Okay, one thing I noticed too is when I open the door and the door's open. So let's open it up. I wanted to see if it still locks. Let's check it out. Okay, so if the driver door or the passenger front door are open, the locking mechanism won't work. They both have to be closed. However, it's different for the rear doors. Let's leave this door open. Locks, unlocks. There you go. With the general module connected, the windows go up and down properly, and it locks. With the GM disconnected, windows don't work and locks don't work. In conclusion, if you are having problems with your windows not going up or your lock actuators not working properly, this could be the problem. General module. Just be sure when you order it, remove yours. There's a part number. There's a part number there. Remove yours, and just make sure that when you order a replacement, it's got the same part number. Although this is the original module for this car, I was using this one here, which has a different part number. It's still a K-line bus high, same as this one, just different part numbers. and it worked fine. I was able to open the windows and lock and unlock the doors properly. But as always, just to play it safe, make sure that you are ordering a module with the same part number. And lastly, we always encourage you guys to order parts from us, especially actuators. They are fully tested. But when you are checking an actuator, don't just pull the actuator out, connect it, and expect it to work. I believe there is a sensor in here in the locking system that detects if it's open. It's not gonna allow you to lock or unlock your car. That's why it has to be installed in the car. So please just go ahead and take that extra step, order actuator, install it, and you can test it from then on. I believe the previous customer was doing just this, connecting the actuator without having it installed, and that's why he stated it was a faulty unit. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Hopefully this video helps you in some way. If you need any BMW parts, please check out our website posted below. It is your support that allows us to do such videos, so please keep supporting us. Any questions, contact us. Thank you. Have an awesome day. Take care.